Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 8x7 heavy duty resin Suncast storage shed. Alright, so right here we have the Tremont storage shed. This is an 8x7. This is a heavy duty plastic shed. It does have a 10-year warranty. This is a super nice shed. So basically I've removed it from the package, and this is the sides. They do have the back sides, the left sides. Here is the top. This is super easy to put together as long as you follow the instructions. So this is the sides that I've taken all the parts off. I've taken the top off. This is the bottom part. I've actually put it on some pallets, and I actually changed it because it was a little off centered. So what I did was remove these pallets and replace them with other pallets. So these are the tools you're going to need. A screwdriver. They do have a few other tools in here. You've got a lot of the screws. It is super easy to put up the sides and everything. It just clicks right in. You just push it in and pull it over to the side, and they lock in place. And then they have the little locking plastics that go in. So as you can see, I got half of the side and part of the back and part of the front. So I did change the bottom. This one right here locks one panel to the other panel, and they go right in these little holes right here. It does come with a tool to twist it. You want to make sure that you don't over twist it. So basically just twist it a couple times and it should lock in place. So this is the back side, and now I'm just going to work on toward the side and then in the front and add the doors on. So once I do that, I will come back to show you that it's all been set up with the doors and all. So now we have the side panels, and we also have the front of the doors. And then we got the handles right here. Unfortunately, the top black handles, they do not go up and down. This is just basically to see. You can see that it doesn't move. This is where you'll open and close it, and you can add your lock to it. So when you want to open it, you just pull it. You don't put up or down. So this is what it looks like on the inside with all the side panels and the back panels. This is super easy to put together. I basically did this by myself. And then once you get the panels in there, you have the little screws, same as the doors. They have screws on the doors on the inside. Then you have the little locking mechanism right here at the top, and you also have another one at the bottom. So you just screw that in. Once you get the roof up, then you go ahead and lock it to the roof, but that is the next step. So right here we also have the bottom. So what I did was I screwed in the floor panel. So the floor panels, you can see they do come with screws, and it locks that one in place. So the next thing I'm going to do is just add up the ceiling and on the two front and back parts. So this is what it looks like halfway done. And again, I done this by myself. And then you just push that and you can lock it right here, and then add a lock if you please. So the next step, what I'm going to do is grab the roof parts. So when me adding the roof, I started the back side first. It doesn't matter if you want to do the left side or the right side. I actually started the back side first. I would recommend reading the instructions manual because the roof part was a little discouraging, but I did get the roof up. You want to make sure you don't lock down the back sides first, because those ones sit on top of the front ones. So you can see it's all set up. I have the windows, the doors, and everything set up. I have the roof set up. This is a really nice shed. It did rain last night, and none of my stuff in here got wet. You can see the skylights up at the top. The roof is all up. I still have to put the metal thing from the top of the roof to make it secured, but this is a super nice shed. I like the fact that it is plastic and it's not metal. You don't have to worry about it rusting, and it does a really good job of holding up with winds. I had very strong winds and it didn't move at all. We also had severe thunderstorms and rain, so nothing in this shed had gotten wet. This did a really good job of keeping everything nice and dry. I would definitely say that this is a really nice shed. If you're looking for a nice shed that is not metal, that is plastic, that is super easy to put together, I would highly recommend this shed. It is a great size.